Hey there, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, it's time for 35 Fun MCQ Quiz where you'll test your knowledge of grammar rules. Ready to see how well you know your stuff? Let's jump right in. 1. Which of these is the correct use of the apostrophe? It's a beautiful day. Tips: remember, it's as a contraction of it is or it has. 2. Choose the correct form of the verb in the sentence. She doesn't like swimming. Tips: use doesn't with the base form of the verb. 3. Which sentence uses correct subject-verb agreement? He is going to the store. Tips: the subject he pairs with the verb is. 4. Which is the correct form of the sentence? I have gone to the store. Tips: use gone with have as the past participle. 5. Which sentence is written in the passive voice? The book was given to him by her. Tips: in passive voice, the object becomes the subject. 6. Which is the correct comparative form? Better than. Tips: better is the comparative form of good. 7. Which sentence is a question? Are you going to the party? Tips: questions often start with auxiliary verbs like are or do. 8. Which is the correct use of the word fewer? I have fewer books than you. Tips: fewer is used with countable nouns. 9. Which of the following is a correctly punctuated sentence? I love ice cream, I eat it every day. Tips: use a semicolon to join closely related independent clauses. 10. Choose the correct sentence. She doesn't want to go there. Tips: doesn't is the correct form with the base verb. 11. Which of these sentences contains a relative pronoun? The girl who sings is my friend. Tips: relative pronouns include words like who, which, that. 12. Choose the correct superlative form. Most beautiful. Tips: superlatives describe the extreme quality of something. 13. Which is the correct conjunction to complete the sentence? I want to go, but I am tired. Tips: use but to show contrast. 14. Choose the correct form of the adverb in the sentence. She runs faster than him. Tips: use faster as the comparative form of fast. 15th. Which sentence is in the future tense? I will eat lunch tomorrow. Tips: use will to indicate future actions. 16th. Which sentence contains an infinitive verb? She wants to go home. Tips: an infinitive verb is formed by the plus base verb. 17. Which sentence is in the present perfect tense? I have seen that movie. Tips: present perfect tense uses have or has plus past participle. 18. Which sentence uses the correct past tense? I went to the store. Tips: the past tense of go is went. 19. Which sentence is correct? I have seen the movie. Tips: have seen is the correct present perfect form. 20. Which sentence is in the past perfect tense? I had finished my work. Tips: the past perfect tense uses had with the past participle. 21st. Fill in the gap. This is the book I've ever read. Most interesting. Tips: use most before the superlative form of adjectives. 22. Which sentence is correct? She was happier than I. Tips: happier is the comparative form, no need for more. 23. Which of the following sentences is in the passive voice? The letter was sent by her. Tips: in passive voice, the object of the action becomes the subject. 24. Which sentence is an example of a compound sentence? I like tea, and I like coffee. Tips: a compound sentence joins two clauses with a conjunction. 25. Which sentence is correct? They don't like to play soccer. Tips: use don't with the base form of the verb. 26. Which sentence uses an indefinite pronoun? Anyone can join the meeting. Tips: indefinite pronouns refer to unspecified persons or things. 27. Which of the following is a correct sentence? I have never been to Paris before. Tips: use have with the first person singular. 28th. Correct verb tense: by this time next year, they. The project. Will have completed. Tips: use will have for future perfect tense. 29. Which sentence is in the future tense? She will travel to France tomorrow. Tips: will plus base form of the verb shows future tense. 30. Which sentence is correct? She doesn't like pizza. Tips: use doesn't for third person singular. 31. Choose the correct form of the verb. She runs every day. Tips: present tense verbs for third person need an S. 32. What is the past tense of go? Went. Tips: irregular verbs don't follow normal rules for past tense. 33. Which sentence is correct? I have been to the store. Tips: use have with first person subjects. 34. Choose the correct article. She is an honest person. Tips: use in before words that start with vowel sounds. 35. Which sentence is correct? Who are you calling? Tips: use who as the subject of the question. How did you do? Let me know in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting grammar challenges. Keep practicing, see you next time.